Join me as I explore Lugano for the first time and see if it really lives up to the title of the best place in the world. I'm so excited to share my thoughts on Lugano, a place that I genuinely believe is the best place in the world. I know it's a bold claim, but after experiencing all that it has to offer, I'm convinced that it truly deserves this title. One thing that's really surprising to me is that Lugano seems to fly under the radar when it comes to popular travel destinations. I've spoken to so many people who have never even heard of it, let alone visited. I think part of the reason is that it's often overshadowed by more famous Swiss cities like Zurich or Geneva. Another challenge Lugano faces is that it's a bit harder to get to than some other European cities, which can definitely be a deterrent for some travelers. Then there are those who think that Lugano is just a boring, conservative banking city. Nothing could be further from the truth. In my experience, Lugano is a vibrant, dynamic place that has so much more to offer than just its financial sector. The more I learn about Lugano, the more I realize just how unique and special it is. From its stunning landscapes to its rich history and culture, there's always something new to discover. The city is situated on the shores of Lake Lugano, surrounded by majestic mountains that offer endless opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities. And then there's the Old Town, with its picturesque streets and historic buildings that seem to transport you back in time. But what really sets Lugano apart is its incredible cuisine, which is a delicious blend of Italian and Swiss flavors. And let's not forget about the activities. From boat rides on the lake to paragliding in the mountains, there's something for every type of traveler. My personal favorite experience in Lugano has to be taking a ride on the funicolare to the top of Monte Bre, which offers breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding mountains. It's truly a sight that will leave you speechless. Another highlight was visiting the Cantonal Museum of Fine Arts, which features an incredible collection of modern and contemporary art. And then there was the food. Oh, the food. From traditional dishes like risotto con pesce to modern twists on classic Swiss cuisine, every meal was a culinary delight. But the moment that really solidified my belief that Lugano is the best place in the world was when I stumbled upon a small, hidden piazza in the Old Town. It was like something out of a fairy tale. The sun was shining, the flowers were blooming, and the sound of a nearby fountain created a sense of perfect tranquility. In that moment, I knew that I had found a place that truly felt like home. So there you have it, Lugano, the best place in the world. I know it's a bold claim, but I'm confident that this incredible city has something to offer every type of traveler. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Lugano in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one.